two things as we get started. If you don't have a printer, just write everything I write in blue. And if you do have a printer, don't worry, you don't have to do it twice. Just fill out the top chart. That's plenty. Okay, so we're going to start by writing our first musical symbol for dynamics that musicians use to tell them when to play loud and when to play soft. So that is fortissimo. Now, unfortunately, my handwriting isn't quite good enough to copy the symbols exactly, but when you see them in real music, you'll notice it's kind of a couple of fancy F's. And it stands for the term fortissimo. And the definition of fortissimo is very loud. If you only see one F in the music, that stands for forte, which is just loud. Now, the opposite of forte is piano. And so if you ever see a fancy looking P in the music, it stands for piano, and it means to play softly. Finally, we have pianissimo, which is the Italian word for very soft. Now, if you need to pause this video so that you can copy these words, that would be wonderful, a good idea. Now, when you are listening to the next couple of selections, your finger can go up on your chart when the music gets louder, and it can go down on your chart when the music gets softer. So when you're listening to these pieces, they're gonna change, but they might be more loud and they might be more soft. And your finger probably is not going to stay still for long. You might notice that they go back and forth between maybe piano and pianissimo for a little while, depending on how the phrase is being played. But then, they might get pretty loud and need to be fortissimo. So don't feel concerned if your finger is moving a lot, because music, especially music that we have nowadays, has a lot of dynamic range. So I hope you enjoy the couple of selections you're going to get to hear today. Have a good day, folks. Bye-bye.